Up, Linjiva family, ready to level up your English. Let's get the lesson. Mwaramutse muryango mugari wa Linjivo, muritewe kuzamura urwego rwanyu rw'icyongereza. Reka twinjirane mu isomo. Salut la famille Linjivo, prêt à passer votre anglais au niveau supérieur, entre dans le feu du sujet. Waba wifuza kwiga icyongereza cyangwa igifaransa cyangwa igiswahili cyangwa urundi rurimi, mwadusanga i Nyamata mu mujyi kuri AOG Ingenzi, cyangwa se mukaduhamagara kuri 0782499777. Then have you ever wanted to learn English, French or Kiswahili or any other particular language? You may just find us in Nyamata town at AOG Ingenzi or call us at 0782499777. Est-ce que vous avez besoin d'apprendre n'importe quelle langue, que ce soit le français, que ce soit l'anglais, que ce soit le kiswahili ou bien n'importe quelle autre langue? Vous pouvez nous trouver ici dans la ville de Nyamata, à AOG Ingenzi 20. Vous pouvez aussi nous contacter sur 078 D4997777. Then today let's learn another lesson that's very important. And then we have today the two very important expressions so that are not more common in English. So suppose that many people don't know them. That's why I brought them, just to explain, to give more clarification about these two confused words. Uyu munsi rero tugiye kwigira hamwe isomo ry'ingenzi, isomo ryiza cyane ririmo amagambo abiri asa n'ayamenyerewe ariko nanatamenyerewe cyane, bitewe n'aho hamwe na hamwe akoreshwa. Nkaba nifuza ko tugendana uyu munsi muri iri somo ry'ingenzi tugiye kurebera hamwe. Aya magambo rero ni amagambo y'icyongereza asanzwe akoreshwa, ni amagambo ushobora gukoresha n'umuntu akumva ko uvuga icyongereza kiri standard cyangwa icyongereza kiri more academic, icyongereza cyiza, icyongereza kiri formal, icyongereza kigezweho, icyongereza kiri modern. Ni amagambo rero abiri tugiye kurebera hamwe uyu munsi. Turebe aya magambo niba asa cyangwa niba hari aho atandukaniye. Ni amagambo rimwe ryitwa have got, irindi ryitwa have got and have. Donc aujourd'hui nous allons voir les deux expressions. Ce sont des expressions donc qui sont en anglais. Ce sont des expressions qui sont beaucoup utiles, les expressions qui semblent beaucoup confuses, mais aussi qui sont beaucoup utilisées. Donc nous allons voir comment ces expressions-là s'utilisent, si elles se différencient ou bien si elles se ressemblent. Donc nous allons voir comment elles s'utilisent, donc leurs utilisations. Voilà ce que l'on va voir à travers les exemples. Donc aujourd'hui nous allons voir, donc ce sont des expressions quelquefois donc l'une de deux s'utilise, donc ça c'est britannique, l'autre c'est américain. Donc nous allons voir comment elles s'utilisent bien sûr à travers des exemples. Then we can just start by saying this: have got and have. I have got and have bitandukanye cyangwa hari aho byaba bisa wenda mu nteruro, nibyo tugiye kurebera. Nkuko nabwiye rero, ni icyongereza kiri standard cyangwa ni icyongereza kiri formal. Ni byiza kugikoresha kubera ko so you sound more fluent in English. Ni byiza cyane iyo ugikoresheje, buri muntu wese ashaka kumva ko uvuga icyongereza cyiza kandi icyongereza kiri ku rwego ruri hejuru. Then you see we have first have got. We are said that have got, that's mostly British English. Iri jambo have got rikoreshwa cyane mu cyongereza cy'abongereza. Iri jambo ni jambo riri britannique, c'est beaucoup britannique. Donc ni jambo rikoreshwa cyane n'abongereza. Tugiye kureba iyo turyemeza cyangwa turihakana, cyangwa iyo turi kubaza turibaza gute. Ni gute dukora interuro zo kwemeza dukoresheje ijambo have got? Ni gute dukora interuro zo guhakana dukoresheje rino jambo have got? Ni gute dukora interuro zo kubaza dukoresheje rino jambo have got? So here we go. Then in affirmative sentence we can say I have got a car. Negative, I haven't got a car. Or question, have you got a car? Rero iri jambo have got, so it totally the same as have. Iri jambo have got and have bisobanura kimwe, bigatandukanira aho bikoresha. Nkuko twavuze, have got, that's British English, and have, that's American English. Aho niho honyine bitandukaniye. Have got bikoreshwa cyane n'Abongereza, have bigakoreshwa n'Abanyamerika, and then have got or have means that's simply have or own or possess, kuba umuntu afite ikintu, have got and have. So then when you say I have got a car, it's just the same as saying I have a car, mfite imodoka. Bien, j'ai une voiture, I have a car, I have got a car, mfite imodoka. I haven't got a car, I don't have a car, nta modoka mfite. Bien, j'ai pas une voiture. Have you got a car? Do you have a car? Ufite imodoka, ou bien as-tu une voiture? Then you see they are the same. So the difference is only just because one is British English, another one is American English. So that's only the difference. Aho niho bitandukaniye, nuko rimwe rikoreshwa cyane mu Bwongereza, irindi rigakoreshwa mu Banyamerika. Have got, that's British, and have, that's American, but the meaning is quite the same. Then let's talk about these useful phrases. And then before moving to these useful phrases, reka tuvuge iki. I have got hari aho ikoreshwa as a real or real present perfect of the verb get. I have got hari igihe ikoreshwa nka present perfect ya verb get, ariko the meaning is different. The meaning is different because it can just process the meaning of received. Have got, have received. Nko wenda tuvuze nk'urugero twavuga ngo I have got a lot better at English. I have got a lot better at English. So this means I became a lot better at English. So now I am better at English. Novako, my English has improved a lot. So that's the meaning. My English has improved a lot. Icyongereza cyanje cyarazamutse. That's the meaning. So then now mfite ubumenyi runaka mu Cyongereza, cyangwa urwego rwanjye rw'Icyongereza rwarazamutse. Yes, I have got a lot better at English, or my English has improved a lot. Icyongereza cyanje cyarazamutse cyane. So in another case, you have got ishobora gukoreshwa as the present perfect of get mu gihe uri kuvuga ko ikintu cyazamutse. Like when you say I have got the keys, or I have received the keys. I have got the gift. I have got the gift, or I have received the gift. Nabonye gift. So that's the meaning. You can say I have got as the present perfect of get. Ushobora gukoresha rero iri jambo I have got, ushobora gukoresha real present perfect mu kuvuga ikintu wabonye just as the present perfect. I guess I explained that before. Nari nabisobanuye dukoresha present perfect uri kuvuga ibintu byarangiye cyangwa experience ufite mu bintu byarangiye. Then when say I have got the gift, nabonye gift, bien j'ai reçu un cadeau. Donc j'ai reçu un cadeau cyangwa nabonye gift runaka. So that's the meaning. Otherwise, when you have got or have, so those are the same. Then this expression means the same. One is American, another one is British. So let's move on to these useful phrases. Reka turebe rero kuri zino nteruro. When you say I have got a new phone, mfite telefone nshya, ou bien j'ai un nouveau téléphone. Then she has got a beautiful house, afite inzu nziza, ou bien elle a une belle maison. Then we have got two children, dufite abana babiri, ou bien nous avons des enfants. Then have you got a passport? Ufite passport, ou bien as-tu un passeport? Then yes, I have, yego ndabifite, bien oui, j'en ai un. No, I haven't, oya ntayo mfite, no, je n'en ai pas. Has he got a car? Afite imodoka, ou bien a-t-il une voiture? A-t-il une voiture? Then you see now how we use this have got, so just quite the same as have. Ni bimwe, so the difference is that it's only that this have got is mostly used in British, so that's British, and then have, that's American, so that's only the difference. Then let's now have a look at have. So the commonest in American English, have. Ikoreshwa cyane muri America. Then when we have, I have a laptop. I have a laptop. That's very simple. I have a laptop. Mfite mudasobwa ngendanwa, ou bien j'ai un ordinateur portable. J'ai un ordinateur portable. Then she has a good job. Afite akazi keza, ou bien elle a un bon emploi. They have a big family. Bafite umuryango munini, ou bien ils ont une grande famille. Do you have a driver's license? Ufite uruhushya rwo gutwara, ou bien as-tu un permis de conduire? Yes, I do. Yego ndarufite. Ou bien oui, j'en ai. No, I don't. Oya ntabwo mfite. Ou bien non, je n'en ai pas. Does she have a bicycle? Afite igare, ou bien a-t-elle un vélo? So then you see this, the difference between have and have got. Narimo mbereka rero aho have got na have uko aho bisanira, donc amasano bifitanye. Have got twavuze ko ari kimwe na have. So this express, this mean possess or own or quite have, simply have. Byose bisobanura kugira ikintu. Have got wenda ishobora kuba itarimenyerewe cyane mu bantu, ariko iyo uvuze have got cyangwa have byose bisobanura kimwe. Iyo uvuze have got uba uvuze icyongereza cy'abongereza, iyo uvuze simply have uba uvuze icyongereza cy'abanyamerika, ariko meaning ni zimwe. Donc j'étais en train de dire que have got, that's l'anglais britannique, and then when you say have, ça c'est l'anglais américain. Donc la différence c'est ça. La différence c'est que donc une expression s'utilise en Amérique, l'autre s'utilise et l'autre c'est totalement britannique. Donc c'est ça la différence. Imwe ikoreshwa mu Bongereza, indi ikoreshwa mu Banyamerika. Then I guess this lesson of today is so interesting. It is an interesting lesson that many people need to know. Then I guess then I'm convinced that you need to know this lesson. You need to understand how these expressions are used up, have got and have. Then you can just build up your English perfectly by now. Then see you guys, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.